Okay, in this video I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to set up this watch and also the basic complications that this model has. Alright, press adjust and hold it at timekeeping mode to begin setting up the watch. UTC will start blinking. This is the current local time or home city setting for this specific watch. Instead of city code abbreviations, you are going to need to set up the time instead. Plus 9 hours to UTC for Japan local time. Done on that, just use the rotary crown to plus or minus 15 minutes in different times, so very much accurate. Next, we're gonna have DST time setting on or off. Just rotate the crown upward or downward to change that. Next, we're gonna have 24 or 12-hour system. Just rotate the crown as well. Let's use 12-hour system in this video for you guys to see the PM or AM time indicator down there. Next, we're gonna have the seconds to reset it to 0 or not. I'm gonna leave it there. Hours or minutes settings pretty much accurate. Now we have calendar, year, months, and also day. Done on that. Next is key tone on or off. I'm gonna leave it mute or just leave it on key. Next we're gonna have this backlight durations, 1.5 or 3 seconds options only, so let's leave it 3 seconds. Next we're gonna have beep or flash alerts. This is for alarm or countdown timer off alert. I'm gonna leave it at flash, so we're gonna have 2 beep and also the backlight will light on. Then we'll back to UTC time setting. Press adjust to finish setting up the watch. Press adjust and hold it for 4 seconds to setting up the handset. So this is where you could set the hours, minutes, or the sub dial where if it is not accurate. You can tell that if here. Just rotate the crown. Just make sure the sub dial here is pointing toward 12 o'clock index. So right now there, it's pretty much accurate now. Same goes to the hours and minutes hand as well. Make sure both of this will be pointing to 12 o'clock index, same as this digital display down here. If it is not, you can just rotate the crown upward or downwards to set this thing up. There it is. Very easy and convenient compared to regular analog G-Shock model. Down on this part, press just finish setting up this watch. Now at timekeeping mode, we're gonna have day of the week, the date in months and day, and also the timekeeping mode, which is now 2:25 a.m. in the morning. Like button will of course turn out the LED backlight. That's pretty much it. And press mode button once we'll enter the world time. We have 100 cities in this specific watch, which is a lot compared to other regular G-Shock models. Just rotate the crown as well and just wait, it will display the city code, Lisbon, and then I'm gonna have Casablanca, I believe. A lot of city code. You can just scroll the crown upwards or downwards, toggle between all that. That's pretty much it. And you can press adjust if you want to add DST daylight saving time to the specific city, but I'm not gonna disturb any part on that. Alright, done on this part, pretty much accurate. The hour and minute hand will keep showing current local time. The digital part will display this Casablanca local time, which is now 5:26 p.m. Next mode, we're gonna go through alarm. We have 5 alarm actually, including the snooze alarm. First thing is we are now at signal. Rotate the crown upwards, alarm number 1, upward alarm number 2, number 3, number 4, and snooze alarm. You can press this lower right button to off, one time alarm only, or daily alarm setting. I'm gonna switch this snooze alarm on so you can tell that from this indicator up here. You know what, let's zoom in a little bit. Zoom. Here it is. Now let's press adjust and try to set up this alarm. Pretty much easy as well. Hours and minutes only, as always. Just rotate the crown, very convenient. Alright, done on that. 10 a.m. in the morning. Finish this part. Let's try to switch on the signal as well. Off. Press this lower right button to switch it on, and you can tell that the signal is already on. Next mode, we're gonna go to stopwatch. This is already running for 57 hours already. It could max up to 1000 hours. Basically just split time and continue, split, continue, stop, start, stop, reset to 0. Pretty easy and straightforward. Next, we're gonna have a countdown timer mode. You can press adjust over here to set it up to 100 hours countdown timer. Actually, you can go all the way to 1 second countdown. Let's press adjust and set this thing up and begin the countdown timer for 1 second. There it is. This is the flashlight that I told you about, and we have a lot of animation going on around here. Very interesting. Press any button to stop. That's pretty much it. Let's go to the next one. We're gonna have setup. This is where you can tell the Bluetooth setting on this watch. It is now already paired to my iPhone over here. Press this lower right button to see this Bluetooth connection, sort of like code, I guess. IP now is connected to iPhone. That's pretty much it. Press mode and we'll go back to timekeeping mode. Zoom out a little bit from here. If you press mode and hold it for 4 seconds, you will enter the airplane mode. There it is. When you enter this mode, you cannot activate this Bluetooth at all. It's like block. There it is. There, see that? Alright, let's turn this thing back off and press connect button over here, and we'll begin. Try to look up for the phone. This iPhone I got over here, it's already installed the G-Shock Plus app. That's all you're gonna need. Wait for it. It will beep 2 times after it is connected. Okay, now music app setting. You can change for Gmix app or straight away pair this watch to your Apple Music app. I'm not going to disturb that. Watch setting. This is what I mean, where you can set up the time. World time setting, you have 100 city. We are now at Casablanca, or set this thing up. We have all the way to 100 cities. You can press this button and check all the list. Any city, wherever you live, you can definitely find it. Or if you can't find this part, you can just go to map and zoom out. Anywhere in the world. Look at that. Look at all these cities that go around here, somewhere in the middle of the ocean. What is this place called? This is South Georgia and the South Sandwich Island. So let's say Great Vicky. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but let's go on that and send this setting to this watch. If you live anywhere at all and you somehow can't find the city code that you live in the phone, this is the way you could do it. It will be displayed on the watch as extra. Press mode at timekeeping mode to enter the world time WT100, and here is the extra, which is just right next to UTC timekeeping mode. Here it is. Rotate downward once and you'll enter the extra. This is where you can store any serial that wasn't listed in the watch at all. So that's extra. Press mode for whole 2 seconds and we're back to timekeeping mode. It's very convenient. And next we're gonna have alarm. You can set all of the alarm, including this signal as well. In here I already set up this snooze alarm over here, so you can tell it's already on from the indicator over there. So let's say I turn off the alarm, go back, and I'm going to turn off the signal as well and send this setting to this watch. And now you could see here, just look at the gate over there, it will be turned off. There it is. No more. Look at that. You know what, let me use this hand shift function, light button and mode button. There it is. You can do that as well. Now close this part and enter the timer mode, countdown timer mode. You can basically set this thing. I already reset to 1 second. You can set this to 5 seconds if you want to. Send this setting to your watch. Whenever you enter the timer mode, it's already preset to 5 seconds. Very easy. And now we'll go to basic setting. So now I can use 24-hour system or 12-hour system as well. Let's use 24-hour system. Let this thing on, or alert method, like we just set up beep or flash alert. I'm gonna use beep in this case. Auto light duration. Let's try 3 seconds. Keep it at 3 seconds. Connection time. This watch will automatically off after which hour you prefer. I will use 1 hour only to save battery. Now this is the link loss alert, just in case the connection is lost. They will display up here by display indicator or tone. Let's try display indication only. Send this setting to the watch. Done on that. Next is time adjustment. This watch will act as a wave scepter type of watch, and the phone will act as the multiband 6 clock tower. So you can set at which time of the day that you want this watch to automatically switch on the Bluetooth connection and pair with the time on your phone. Very convenient, and you don't need to set up this watch at all actually, as long as you keep your phone accurate, and this watch will automatically set itself. Very easy. You can see it happen at 1:40 AM. Send this setting. It will happen after. Let's get to other setting as well. Adjusting home position. This is where the hash set goes. You can set the sub dial, the minutes or hour hand just from here. Let's say I want to set up the sub dial. Here it is. Hash set already turned on, and I can just press this and rotate it. Send this setting You can see that it's rotating. Very interesting actually. I'm not sure if this thing, I'm not sure the purpose much of this, but it's very interesting to see you control that you could control the watch just from your phone. Minutes, hand, setting, there it is. You can see that. Very interesting, very interesting. Look at that, very mesmerizing. Send it setting and it will move. Alright, let's change it back to its original position. Send it setting down on this part, close to this part, and send whole setting to the watch. Setting completed, and we are done setting up this watch. That's pretty much it, very easy. We'll now go to alert setting, phone finder. Just in case you lost your phone, you can use this watch to look for this phone as well. You can use a lot of this tone over here, but I use my music player instead. Pixel, Cheese, Bass, Skrillex. You can enter the music folder. Here it is. These are all the Skrillex songs. You can pick anyone. Let's try rock and roll. And done. And now I can use rock and roll. There it is. Alright, done on that part. Okay, now we are done setting up this watch. Very easy. Now let's say I lost my phone and I want to look for it again. Just press the lower right button down here and it will start finding the phone. Automatically connect itself to the phone. Just make sure the app and the Bluetooth is turned on the phone. There is finding rock and roll bar Skrillex, done, and it will turn off or automatically as well. Pretty much easy. And if you scroll the crown upwards in this position, it will start operating the SoundHound app on the phone, which is just search for the song or any type of music that you are currently hearing. There is G-Mix app running at the background. SoundHound is running, and it will start looking for any sort of song and display the title if you're able to find that. But I'm not going to do anything on that, just stop this part. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Look at that. AT, automatic time synchronization. Look at the phone, it is connecting automatically and the time will synchronize. Done. That's pretty much it, guys. Do realize that I'm pairing my watch to my phone, so there are a few limitations for the functions. If you pair your watch to an Android, you're gonna expect more, pretty much different type of complications and watch setup, but overall it's still gonna be roughly the same. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is G-Shock High Fashion channel, and out.